Hello and welcome to Sawdusters classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Test of Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is very well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institution for to help the students in the preparation of BStat or BMath examination. So let's start with this problem. Here we are given a triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle at A and D be any point on the side AB. So first of all, we draw a right angle triangle which is named as ABC. AB, sorry, ABC. Okay, and D be any point on AB. The line DE is drawn parallel to BC. Line DE is drawn parallel to BC to beat the side at side AC at the point E, and F is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from E to BC. Okay, if AD is equals to x1, DB is equals to x2, BF is equals to x3, EF is x4, and AE is x5. Therefore, we have to show that x1 divided by x5 plus x2 divided by x5 is equals to x1 x3 plus x4 x5 whole divided by x3 x5 minus x1 x4. Okay, so to prove this, we define two angles here and another line which is EB. Okay, let this angle denoted by C and this angle denoted by theta. Okay, and this is an angle which is phi. Therefore this must be also phi. Okay, so these two angles are phi. No, this must be theta. Okay, I made a mistake here. This is theta, this is phi. Okay, therefore this angle, that is theta minus c, which is equals to phi. Okay, as BC and DE are parallel and BE is a bisector, therefore we get two angles which are phi. Okay, now the left hand side, x1 divided by x5, x1 divided by x5 plus x2 divided by x5, which can be written as x1 plus x2 divided by x5, and x1 plus x2 divided by x5 is nothing but tan theta. If we see the triangle ABE, here angle A is equals to 90 degree, angle AB is equals to x1 plus side AB is equals to x1 plus x2 and side AE is equals to x5. Therefore the tan of theta is nothing but perpendicular divided by base. Here the perpendicular is x1 plus x2 and the base is x5. Now tan theta is equals to tan phi plus c. Now tan phi plus c can be written as tan phi plus tan c divided by 1 minus tan phi multiplied by tan c. Now tan phi is x4 divided by x3. This is the right angle triangle, which is BEF. Here we get the angle phi, and the tan of phi is nothing but perpendicular divided by base. Here perpendicular is x4 and the base is x3. And the value of tan C, in the triangle ADE, it must be x1 divided by x5. Okay. Therefore, tan phi multiplied by tan C is x1 x4 divided by x3 x5. So after solving this, we get x1 x3 plus x4 x5 whole divided by x3 x5 minus x1 x4. So we have proved the result that x1 divided by x5 plus x2 divided by x5 is equals to x1 x3 plus x4 x5 divided by x3 x5 minus x1 x4. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much. We Sources classes provide mock test series and study materials on different entrances at I.S.I, so you can join us. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sourcesclasses.com. And please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.